One of the things that we were talking about that builds trust, and this is from Julie George, who's obviously probably fast asleep right now, is just making sure that alongside that trust page, just having oaths towards your guests. So whether or not it is a case of just having like something that you stand by, where look, if you when you try and book with us, if we can't find you somewhere this time, then we'll give you 5% off the next stay with us. Or if the place isn't as clean as you'd expect, then get in touch with us and we'll offer you something to just really make it a measurable, where you can give them oaths towards whatever it is that you say you will do, because it shows that you believe in that aspect of their stay. Are we still going? Have we got any more in the room?
I have one more, Liam. This is for people that use OTAs. On your bio, I like it when people have a pic of you or your team, a smiling face, and also tell your story, who you are, what you like, some fun facts about you. Because we're in the hospitality business. It's a human-based business, and enabling your guests to communicate with you and build that. Just see a little bit behind your family. Say that you've got a dog named Charlie for whatever. Build that trust by pulling back the curtain and letting people see who you are as a person. Don't be a person of mystery. Be loud and proud about what you do and who you serve. That's always being transparent and authentic, showing who you are.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.